Founded in 1999, Telpo is the world's leading smart terminal and solution provider. Telpo products and solutions coverage POS machine, cash register, self-service kiosk, bus validator, and so on. Standard SDK is available for secondary development. As a national high-tech enterprise, Telpo will spend 15% of its annual revenue on R&D every year. There are 200 engineers who can provide all-in-one product solutions, including software and hardware, and professional ODM services. Nowadays, Telpo has achieved more than 200 technical patents and nearly 100 software copyrights. With a national-level laboratory, ISO 9001, International Standards Quality Management System, cutting-edge SMT workshop, and 4 production lines with 100,000 monthly productions, Telpo can provide high-quality products and satisfy delivery time. Up to now, Telpo products have served over 120 countries and 5,000 customers. Telpo also set up Hong Kong, Nigeria, and Sri Lanka branches, India office, and more than 28 overseas service center to provide better services. In virtue of 22 years professional attitude and market recognition, Telpo has established strategic cooperation with Vodafone, Alipay, Burger King, Africa Lottery Bureaus, and other worldwide companies. Telpo is solidly located in the smart terminal industry forefront, as it sticks to technology-driven and market demand-oriented. With keen market insight, Telpo has developed a smart payment, smart transportation, smart retail, and other scene applications, aiming to build a cloud plus terminal brand and complete solution.